So you want to get notified in Notion whenever something important happens, like task updates or mentions. In this video, I will show you how to set up notifications in Notion so you never miss an important updates again. So hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get some special offers. Now let's get back to the video. So first of all, you have to open your favorite browser and log into your Notion account from the notion.so. Now once you are inside your Notion dashboard or account, you can see in the left panel there is a settings. So go to the settings. Now here just move to the notifications and you can see there is a option for the email notifications, and under this you can see the activity in your workspace. Now just you have to turn this on. So from now you will be notified whenever people will mention you, and comments and the reminders, the task assigned to you. So this kind of thing will be happen in your page. You will be notified through your email. Now you can close this and let's go to the page, like wherever you want to add a reminder. Okay, so let's set up a reminder. Let's say here, so just search for this slash and write the reminder. Here it is. Just click on this. Now here just select this remind me and just click on this. You can change the date, you can even change the time here. So just write your time and the date and it will send you a notification as a reminder. So basically inside any task or the page you can type this and set up your reminder and you will get the notification at the scheduled time. It's super handy for deadlines. And that's it basically. This is how your Notion notification are all set. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.